Don't go out though. It's coming right over us. Oh, yep, I'm getting behind glass. It's coming right over us as well. Did you realise it's coming from that way over us?
Is it?
Yeah. You should see the clouds as well. You should see the clouds though. It's coming right over us. What happened to that dam? There's literally a dam, like, a couple of miles away from us. Maybe more. What'll happen to that dam? It'll break. And we've got a stream next to us as well. A brook anyway. Or do you think the water will get into that and come over to Ashton? It's mad. Even the neighbours are cutting the lawn. Like, we have a field at the back of us there. I know our neighbour, so he likes to cut his grass on foot, literally. Oh my god, it's getting mad now. It sounds like it's coming from over there, but it's actually coming from back there. It's just echoing. I'm gonna leave it at that and come back. I'm gonna upload this one because this is currently on my phone. So I'm gonna upload this one now, and I'm gonna upload another video. I'm gonna get some shoes on so I can go out and video it all.